Hey everybody, I'm Mike. Welcome again. Uh, See, everybody has got, hopefully, at least one project that they're kind of embarrassed by. And this one is mine so far. And I'm gonna, reluctantly, it hurts, but I'm gonna show it to you anyway. And you'll see what I mean. So stick around. Hope you guys are having a good day so far, a good evening, whatever time it is. But on this one, I'm gonna take this piece of crepe myrtle. I'm hoping it's not too plain and boring inside. Use that and this piece of East Indian rosewood that I've had for probably 7 years, and I'm gonna try to make a lighthouse. Hopefully it'll go okay. I've never done one before. Stick around, see if it works out. Forgot how good this stuff smells. Alright, I think I'm happy with that actually. It's just another coat of sanding sealer. Okay, so I made the base out of that piece of cedar. I was going to send this to my dad's girlfriend because she's a big fan of lighthouses, and that piece of cedar came from their yard. But this project's going in the burn pile. It's my first lighthouse, and I have to say it's probably going to be my last, because here it is. just nothing else to say about it other than how, if you stuck through this, thanks for watching. I did put poly on the base to try to make it pretty. I'm not gonna finish it. On to the next. So again, thanks for watching. Appreciate it. If you're a subscriber, thanks. Please don't let this sway you. I welcome any comments. I'm sure there's gonna be plenty on this one. Thanks. Have a great day.